What is going on, guys? I hope you're having a fantastic week. So you searched for this video on how to get Sea of Thieves for free, and I have successfully managed to find a working method to get you Sea of Thieves for free, and this is available on every single platform, so PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox or PC, and it's a digital game code, guys, and it's going to download the game for free. So let's get into a tutorial and show you how to do it. Okay guys, so let's get into a super quick tutorial and show you how you can get Sea of Thieves for free. Now this is working, of course, for every single platform, and you only need to use a mobile phone to do this, guys. Super easy. So you just grab your mobile and have an internet connection and go to this website, www.topdogcodes.com. so you can pause the video and just copy this website down, because you need to go directly to this website on your mobile phone. And it is an awesome website. I found them a few months ago, and as you can see on my screen here, they have tons of pages and they can save you so much money, guys. So I highly recommend you check them out. And you need to look for the Sea of Thieves page, because there's about 100 plus pages. You need to simply go to the search bar and type in Sea, and if you type correctly, it should pop up Sea of Thieves free game code. So this page here is where you need to go. And you can see these game codes are limited in number. So obviously there is a bit of a process, and there is a limit of 1 game code per person. And what this is going to get you, guys, is a digital game code that you can redeem on whatever platform, and it's going to download Sea of Thieves for free. So I've already done this, and like I said, they are limited, so I'm not going to run through the full process. But you're going to need to tap show code on your platform. In this case, this is a free digital copy of Sea of Thieves for Xbox consoles. And you can see it says Thieves with a bunch of stars. Basically, as I said, you need to unlock your game code. This prevents people from stealing the 100 plus codes that are available. So tap unlock code. And when this gets to 100%, so let me just cancel because I've already done this. But yeah, you're going to see a new page, guys, and it's going to tell you how to get your game code. It does take about 10 minutes. You need to complete a couple of these easy tasks, and these tasks such as like downloading and playing some free games, to answering questions in surveys, just fully complete 2. There will be a set of instructions below each of the tasks. So yeah, it's pretty easy and self-explanatory. And once you've done that, guys, your full code will be fully revealed. So these stars will turn into some characters, and you can go ahead and redeem it in your console or platform. And yeah, that is how you can get Sea of Thieves for free. So head on over to Top Dog Codes and follow these instructions, and I hope you enjoy, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of the Sea of Thieves. It's a fun game, but yeah, I'm pretty glad I didn't purchase it. But yeah, anyway, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.